Hey guys, today we're doing a race. We got the 5 contestants here. So, yeah. Oh, I'm so going to win this. Yaha, yaha. Guys, calm down. We haven't even started yet. Yeah, I agree. Me too. Me three. My bad. Let's just get ready. Alright, bet. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Stop! This is a dead end. You have to go the other way. Aw, come on. We ran an entire lap. Well, too bad, so sad. Boo-hoo to you, and all that stuff. Ugh, whatever. I like running anyways. I can't take it anymore. Yeah, me too. I'm faster, but I gave up. Guys, the finish line is right there. Oh no, we gotta make it. We made it. Wait, who's first place? Who won the race? I actually don't know. Well, guys, I got the answer. What is it? Bluebird has won. Oh, I did it! I did it! I won! Yes, you won. So what's my reward? This. Oh, I always wanted this. No, you didn't. I did. Anyways, I'm going to go home. Bye. So, roll credits. Just get on with it. Wait, guys, wait. What? Hey, guys, I'm back. Why are you back? You won the race, so take your reward. You see, I have some other rewards. I got this. Nice, we could give it to our second place and third place. Alright, so who was second place? Oh, let me look up the footage real quick. Okay, so I looked at the footage and it looks like Toucan got second place. Oh, I did? Yeah, I did. Well, you can choose a ball. Okay, I'll choose the purple basketball. Yay. Interesting. Alright, who got third place? I think it was Chuck. Oh, yeah, I did. Alright, I'll take the baseball, I guess. Well, happy ending, I guess. Now, roll credits.